Namaste everyone. Today I have a sequence for you which is short but strong to awaken you completely. So let's get to the mat, starting from the top of the mat with the sun salutation practice. So just taking a breath or two, settling myself with my hands in front of my chest, relax shoulders, eyes open, knees a little bit bent, feet relaxed, both soles are relaxed. From here, raising my arms up, bending little bit backwards, not too much. From here, hands on the ground, fingers and toes in one line, taking the right leg back, right knee on the ground. Here, ensuring that your weight is more towards the front, not on the right knee, sinking down, arms up, hands together, give me good feeling of alignment through my shoulders and the spine. Hands on the ground, at the same place, left leg back in the mountain posture. I call this posture mountain posture. I breathe normal. First sun salutation, so a little bit of waking up. And from here, knees on the ground, chest and chin on the ground. And making sure the chin is a little bit above the level of my hands. It's almost off the mat. From here, cobra, upper body up, cobra posture. From the cobra, back in the mountain. Right leg in the front. I keep my eyes open and keep the view here. That makes it easy to bring the right leg in the front. Arms up again. Hands on the ground. Other leg in the front. I keep breathing normal. But sometimes, like from here when I go up, I inhale deep. It's like expansion is helped with the deep inhale, and exhale is in relaxation. 1 or 2 breaths here. Eyes open, arms up again. Hands on the ground, fingers and toes in one line. I can always bend my knees, taking the left leg back this time. The first time it was the right leg back, this time the left leg back. Arms up again. Going to the mountain. Knees on the ground, chest and chin on the ground. Cobra, upper body up, elbows are close to my chest. Feel my spine, relax my legs. Back in the mountain. Eyes open, look in the front. Bring your left foot in between both your hands. Right knee on the ground, hands up. Hands on the ground. Other leg in the front, going all the way up. Prayer position. 2 sun salutations. That's how we count it. 1 right, 2 left. Let's do 2 more. Arms up on the ground. Right leg back, right knee on the ground, hands up. Hands on the ground, mountain posture. Knees, chest and chin on the ground. Upper body up, cobra. Back in the mountain. Right foot in the front, left knee on the ground, hands up. Hands on the ground, other leg in the front, all the way up. Prayer position. A breath. And continuing, arms up, on the ground, left leg back, left knee on the ground, hands up again. Mountain. Knees, chest and chin on the ground. Sliding upper body in cobra. Back in the mountain. Left foot in the front, right knee on the ground, hands up. Hands on the ground, other leg in the front, equal weight on both legs. Go all the way up. Exhale, prayer position. So 4 sun salutations in total. Now I'll just lay down on the mat. Let the body recover. If you have more time, you can take a little bit more time here. I use my exhale. Each exhale relaxes me more. I feel that I'm grounding a little bit more, I'm loosening more. And now as I feel my breathing is normalized again, I externalize my awareness. Bring my right knee to the abdomen. Press it nicely. With the help of both the hands, I use the strength of my both arms, both hands. The other leg, left leg, is relaxed. Bring my head up closer to my knee. I'm keeping my neck aligned with my spine. So not trying to go sideways, try to stay in the middle. So 5-6 breaths here and then release. A moment that I can feel this side which I just used. My breath always tells me when to go to the next posture. That when I feel it's back to the normal rhythm, I feel recovered. And then I'm going to the other side. Now the left knee comes up, head up. Using the strength. Relaxing the lower part of my abdomen, the left lower part especially. And release. Again, a moment to feel this side, this feeling, this awareness of the right and the left. Always keep checking that it feels balanced intuitively. My breath is telling me to go to the next posture now. I bend my knees, both knees, a little bit away from my buttocks, my heels, and then when I'm ready, pushing the hips up as high I can go. Sometimes I adjust my feet, sometimes taking them slightly away, give me more feeling that I can go further high up. Now I lock my fingers underneath and trying to bring my shoulder blades closer to each other. Here with every inhale I go up more and more. With exhale I'm not coming down. Close my eyes and feel that every inhale is bringing my soul more to the ground. It's like I feel the contact of my soul is increasing with every inhale. After 3, 4, 5 breaths here, now I'm going to take one inhale, go maximum high up and hold my breath. Consistent engagement. Exhale and release. Knees to the abdomen. Head is up again. And releasing for the final relaxation. Close your eyes. Feet apart, palms facing the sky. Clear experience of the touch of the body on the floor, especially the main points which I feel is the backside of the head, the shoulders, and then a few breaths in the buttocks. When I feel buttocks are really stable, settled, the legs become very loose and free. Awareness of both legs and also both arms. The touch of the legs and the arms on the floor. My eyes are closed, breath is normal. The rotation of the awareness starts from the right hand. The right hand, fingers and the thumb, everything in the right hand is relaxed. Right arm, right shoulder, right side of the chest and the waist, hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole, and all the toes in the right foot. Now the awareness of the whole entire right side. The whole entire right side is completely relaxed. Awareness to the other side now, to the fingers and the toes, fingers and the thumb in the left hand, palm, back side of the hand, entire left hand, left arm, left shoulder, left side of the chest and the waist, hip, left thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole and toes in the left foot. The whole entire left side. The left side is also relaxed. Both sides are completely loose and relaxed. Now the awareness moves to the back side of the body, to both the buttocks. Then the whole entire back, including the spine. The back. The whole back. The back is relaxed. Awareness to the front. Entire abdomen. The whole entire abdomen. The chest. The chest. Throat and the neck together. The head, entire head. And then the face, the whole face. The whole face, the head, the back, right leg, left leg, the front, face, head again, the whole body. The whole body is completely relaxed. The whole body is relaxed. Externalizing the awareness, connecting with the breath, starting to move the fingers and the toes, giving yourself a nice stretch with your both arms, turning gently to the right, taking a breath, and then coming up in a sitting posture. Three times Om altogether. We breathe in and we start. Hari Om Tat Sat. Gently move your fingers, rub your palms nicely together. Your palms on your eyes, block any light entering in your eyes. Look into the space with your closed eyes first. Then gently open your eyes, connect with this space. Take a deep breath in and out. And slowly remove your hands. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.